back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another TTDI contact lens review. Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing the contact lens called Juice Gray. Okay, here's the packing that this contacts came in. It also comes with a case to put your contact lenses in. Make sure before putting them in that you wash your hands thoroughly. Okay? Alright, I'm going to be back after I put one in so you can be able to see how well it covers my beautiful dark brown eyes, and I'll be right back. I got it in and it's a very beautiful color. A very beautiful gray color. Alright. I like it. I mean, I like all of these colors, okay? I haven't got one that I really hate. Alright, I'll place the other one in my eye. This is how they both look in. Very gorgeous. Juice Gray. Alright, that pretty much wraps it up for this contact lens review. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very blessed day. Bye bye.